Hi guys, today we are marshmallows. The first thing that you do is dissolve the gelatin. I used here 14 sheets of gelatin and every sheet is about 1.6 grams. You dissolve it in a half a cup, that's 120 liters of water. If you're using the powder, you need 21 grams of powder, and that you dissolve with the cold water. If you sheets like me, use hot water to dissolve and let it sit about 5 minutes until the gelatin blooms, and then we are going to get started. So in a saucepan you will mix another half a cup of water with a third cup of corn syrup, that's corns, and that is in grams 112 grams. Then you of course pour the sugar. The sugar is 2 1/4 cup, that's 455 grams of sugar, just regular sugar, and you are going to let it melt and get to temperature. And don't forget to throw in there a pinch of salt, and you can stir this because of the corn sugar, but when it boils you are not going to stir anymore, and you're going to brush the side of the pan with a wet brush so you can minimize the crystallization. Even though there is corn syrup in there, you just don't want any crystallization. And these have to boil, and the temperature have to be 248 Fahrenheit, that is 120 centigrades, and you use of course a candy thermometer. So when the sugar syrup is done, pour little by little into the gelatin, and please be very careful because this is very sugar and you can get very nasty burn. So please, you can have like a bowl of water near you for if something happened, but please be very careful. You just strain it in the bowl while the mixer is running, and don't scrape the pan, is not necessary. Mix this, let it go until you just see the marshmallowy fluff, and you'll see the consistency a little bit later. Here I'm checking the consistency, and if you can see that just too fast. So I'm not done yet, keep beating. So then you'll see the consistency is much thicker, is going down slower, and that's what you want. Now you add the vanilla extract, and that is 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. And while this was beating, of course, you prepare the pan where you are gonna dump this to harden. And you need a mixture of corn flour or cornstarch and powdered sugar. So because this is very sticky, it's super sticky, so, and grease, like with the spray grease pan, and with the parchment and anything you're gonna use with that mixture. And I use a cup of powdered sugar and a half a cup of cornstarch, and you're good to go. And here, I'm sorry I didn't really film pouring it because that was, it's very sticky. So I spray the pan, dump it in, let it harden. You can do it like about 4 hours or overnight is best. I put, of course, a parchment when it was finished, dust it with a mixture, and then you just put the thing on the marshmallow, and then you're gonna cut it. Or on top of the marshmallow, powder on, because it's very sticky, powder your knife and do the squares or whatever shape you want, and you get your marshmallows. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try it and let me know if you like it, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.